I was just sent this under the bed storage container, and I'm kind of excited because it's actually on wheels, and I've got 3 kids and they like to have a lot of junk that gets shoved under their bed and we can never find it. So this is going to be a great solution. I'm going to show you what's in the box, how to assemble it, and what we think about it. Right off the bat, pulling this out, it seems to be packaged extremely well. If this is a metal that's painted, it looks like it'll be extremely durable, which I'm pretty impressed with. You've got your tools there. It comes with 4 casters there, all the nuts and so forth that are used to assemble it. We're going to unbox all this, and then we'll show you how to put it together. I've got everything out of the box. This is actually a 2-pack of these, so there's actually a whole nother set in here. I'm going to be assembling one of them. It doesn't look like it's going to be that complicated. When this thing is constructed, it will be 24 inches deep by 16.5 inches wide. It's just a little over 7 inches high. I think it's about 7 1/5. So you need to make sure to measure, make sure there's room underneath your bed to be able to put that. We're going to go ahead and follow the instruction guide, which seems to be pretty simple as far as how to put this thing together, and we'll start assembling it. There's 4 bars that you have to put across the bottom, and they actually just are with this push pin, just lock into place like that. We're going to do that 4 times. Again, we're going to go ahead and take these 4. They just simply set down in here. There are holes already pre-drilled in the sides of this metal. You're going to take the provided hardware and provided wrenchette and just insert those through and go ahead and screw them into each end of these pipes to make the 4 of them across the bottom. Now that we've got those 4 in the bottom, we've got this base plate. It's all built in together with the dust cover and everything, so it's super easy assembly. So all we're going to do is just take these extra 2 rods that came with and insert it in these. And then we're going to set this base on there and going to go ahead and attach these up to here, and then I'll show you how to put on the casters. This thing actually holds up to 70 pounds, so it's actually going to hold quite a bit of weight. I'm going to flip it upside down to put the casters on. They actually will just snap right in place. So that part of it is going to be pretty easy, and then our under the bed storage will be completed. Now it's got those casters on there, it slides really well. Again, the built-in dust cover just wraps over the top. It'll Velcro down on the other side over here, and that'll provide you a little bit of coverage in there for anything that you don't want to get dirty.